How to open or create Capital One bank account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and let's learn to sign up and register Capital One account. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch any web browser on your mobile. Select the search bar and type in capitalone.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the search result page or simply you will directly land on the official interface of Capital One where you need to click on the sign in button at top right corner of your screen. Now you can either download the app or you can sign in online. So select sign in online. Then choose set up online access on the sign in portal. Here you need to enter your personal information, that is your last name, social security number or ITIN, or you can use your bank account number instead. Enter your date of birth and click on get started. Follow the remaining steps to complete your registration and that's it. Your Capital One account will be created afterwards. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.